And let's get it.
Okay, she started her video back. Guys, comment down below. Please think I'm winning.
Okay, my better mine. That's one thing people like about iPhones and Android.
My mom said my camera better than hers because it's like clear, but hers is blurry. But
I'm telling you about mine.
yeah, we got some company. Say hi, Chantel.
That's our first subscriber, y'all.
Our first subscriber. Wait,
To stand by her peoples. Who's gonna be the next?
if you subscribe, you could get $100 gift card on App Store. I'll buy it.
You got some money.
Yep.
Oh Lord.
That's what I'm saying.
I got some money.
Okay. Y'all hear that?
So subscribe if you want that gift card.
Our fifth subscriber get it.
Fifth. We got 2.
Right. So 2 more people. The third one will get a gift card.
Fifth subscriber because the next, that's too easy. We need to step our game up.
Yeah.
So if y'all really want that, oh y'all, camera slip. If y'all really want that, then come subscribe.
Y'all like churches? We got church of chicken, y'all.
My camera keeps sliding down, y'all.
Why don't you put that camera behind?
Y'all, this is the nicest cup. My mom. It's real nice.
He just saying that because he want to drink my juice.
Nope. It's nice though. I don't like chicken. But I'm hungry. And when I have sleepovers at my friend's house, literally every time we have a sleepover, it's always the day they eating chicken for dinner. And I gotta eat chicken. But their chicken is good. I really don't understand. So how y'all day been?
What y'all do for Labor Day? Today was my sister's anniversary. Happy anniversary to my sister, Napri.
If she watching. Y'all hear my
What you know she ain't.
Y'all hear my mom in the background talking to her viewers. Make sure y'all go and subscribe to her channel.
Y'all ever wanted something so bad that it was...
Oh my god, y'all, my cut is stinging because this juice.
And if I don't get it, you're like, I needed that.
Just like I want a job, and then when I get it, I'm going to be like so happy. If y'all see me look somewhere else, sometimes I'm going to be looking at my mom's viewers and her screen.
Y'all let me know
Y'all see me looking
what
at
to do
y'all?
for a 10-year-old birthday. Anybody got ideas?
Y'all, tell her for a 10-year-old birthday, you drive.
Huh?
I'm trying to tell her that.
Who heard of that?
But she don't want me to drive.
10-year-old driver.
She just don't want me to drive.
It must be Superman. Or
What?
Spider-Man. Well, eat with the other hand, cause how the chicken got a neck bone? What it is?
What is the neck?
It's a neck bone.
What's the neck bone? The neck?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's a chicken. Y'all, I just ate one piece. My mama still got 2 pieces left. My dad did this.
You get whatever you want.
Y'all see this? Yeah. If I don't dip it in the honey, it's because it's too hot. We warmed it up. Oh, y'all, my favorite part about chicken is this crunchy skin. Did y'all hear that crunch? I've been on for 9 minutes. I can't end the video here. I gotta at least be 13 minutes. How long are videos? Comment down below. Yeah, at least 30 minutes. But I don't got the time. I got school tomorrow.
Yep, yeah. Friday, go.
That's why there's probably no kids watching.
Everybody go to school. Enjoy. Have a good day. Stay positive. Learn something new. Be productive. But y'all gotta go to work. Stay positive. Go to work with a good attitude. Keep your job, because Christmas time is coming. Who started getting Christmas stuff in August?
And even if people
I try to, but
even if people are being
but I only got one now, so I don't gotta shop as much.
Even if you get mad at your job, stay calm.
But I know my daughter still don't want some. But that's how
When
they
they
is.
little kids, they can buy their own gift. I'm in big kids.
They gonna still want something, but I'm gonna get some art something.
He's gonna turn 1.
In a couple of months,
He's gonna be talking.
he gonna be turning one.
He's gonna be talking
Time
too.
flying.
My aunt, he's gonna be talking.
Yeah, he already trying to talk. He was looking at Diamond like, nah. I said, boy, what you saying?
One time I said, what's up? Then he said, Yo, if y'all don't like chicken, comment down below. I don't even know where to eat the chicken.
Yeah, my sister.
Come on.
It's the best thing in the world.
Y'all hear my aunt being so quiet because me and my mama doing a video. You don't gotta be quiet. You know you can still talk to her. We don't want you to be like, oh, you can't talk.
So damn.
We don't care about this video that much, right, Mom? We just doing it just to get money and just to get some viewers and trying new stuff, right, Mom? Right?
We do our videos
To get money.
Because we're bonding. This is just something to do.
Yeah.
To bond, because maybe somebody will start watching. We'll get lucky. But if not, this is
And
just
get
something.
some bucks.
This is just something for me and my son. I got a little quality time.
Even though we know we're probably not going to get no viewers. We got 5. In only one video, we got 5 viewers and 2 likes. 1 like, I mean. 2. Yeah, 2. We're good to be rookies. I'm not a rookie. I used to do Fortnite videos, PUBG. I used to, screen record. I need a napkin.
Y'all, when we start eating that seafood, boy, baby.
Boy, y'all better like you some.
Y'all better watch out. Y'all better watch out, honey.
We're gonna be catching up to them people.
Cause we ain't broke no more. When the seafood boy come out. That mean we ain't broke no more.
Ew.
What?
Drink it. Do you taste that?
Why you making that face?
You don't taste that nasty kick?
Probably because you got honey and hot sauce and you're drinking the juice.
I ain't no honey. I think it's just the combination.
Oh, I just said that.
I don't even think I want to drink the juice no more. Y'all, the kids and grown-ups, where y'all go for the summer? I ain't going nowhere.
Oh, nasty, y'all. I'm sorry. That piece was kind of crunchy.
You know, my mama said she was going to take me to Carolyn, but we couldn't go for some reason.
Still, man. Sorry, Jules.
I don't care because I still have fun. I still got some stuff. I still got some clothes, some shoes. I got the new Air Force One. I got my black, red, and white Adidas with my black and white Nikes. With my black Filas and my red Champion flip-flops. My Champion flip-flops are right there. Y'all see them? Yeah. That's them. Right there. Them flip-flops.
What's the best part of chicken?
Oh, y'all, I'm sorry. We did not say grace. Amen.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah?
We did say grace. We just started digging in. We said grace. Oh.
Good job, you said.
Y'all don't never be that hungry that you forget to say grace.
I said grace.
I said it too.
Just now.
All right.
Y'all know what I'm in the mood for? Like,
Well, y'all, I'm about full. So my video is about to end.
I've been recording for 16 minutes, and I'm 39. 16 minutes, 39. 16 minutes, 45 seconds.
Gang, go,
My mom been recording for 13 minutes and 3 seconds.
Because I had to keep starting over.
Yeah, she had to start over.
Twice.
But you know what she could do? She just go combine both of them videos to be like at least 20-something minutes. Right? Yeah, like 20-something minutes. I'm already at 17.
Woo! Y'all.
So, peace.
I don't know who don't like churches, but something wrong with you. Nah. Y'all, my sister beautiful, ain't she? Say hey. Y'all, she camera shy.
Yeah, y'all see?
She shy.
My mama did her hair.
Y'all did that. Huh? I did them locks. Throw it, baby. Shake it like a salt shaker. Y'all see that? Oh, y'all watch the camera table TV. Y'all,
My camera quality is so good.
yeah, that's what we normally record on your phone.
You could see the shining on my face. Like you could see that.
But it's okay. We doing it on the Android.
But when my mama get her iPhone XR, her quality gonna be good, like good.
Hey y'all. Do you like me?
Yup. That's cool, right now. I just switch over to this phone, and then when I go on your phone, I just end up on my phone.
Mm-hmm. Y'all see his head? I told him he need to calm down.
Oh,
they gotta watch the tape on yours too. You done messed up your video too. Y'all, so this is Martina, aka Tina, signing out.
Scoot over.
Because you know what? I am cool.
Sorry, y'all.
Put on both of them. Yeah, I am full.
So mom's phone. Ooh, look
I am
at that.
full.
Look at that camera quality. My phone is next to my mama's, so it's like I'm on both of theirs.
Do the worm, do the worm, do the worm. Y'all, I got a video of my son doing a worm when he was little. He was so into it. He was watching the robot movie.